Today we are at
Myeong-dong. Today we'll be trying street food here.
Yay! They just have a variety of foods, including like desserts, main dishes, drinks, everything.
Here, get this one.
안녕하세요.
5,000원이요?
5,000원, so it's 5,000 won.
I feel like I'm gonna drop it.
Banana and Nutella, the best combination.
I wanna try the skewer, yes.
Let's go down the street.
Oh, there it is. You get to pick the sauce.
신라면보다 매워요?
뭐가 제일 잘 나가요?
바베큐 맛있어요. 중국 분들은 바베큐 좋아하시고요. 일본 분들은 대리야끼.
와우.
뜨거워요?
네, 감사합니다. Very hot.
식지도 않아요.
맛있어요.
She hasn't chewed yet, and then she's just like, oh my god, it's so good.
It literally tastes like chicken steak you would cook from your backyard. Okay, so barbecue is the most popular one. I'm an artist.
You're so bad at it.
오 마이 갓.
Are we going right to the spice bomb? Okay, let's go. I like the barbecue one better.
It's spicy. See, it's more
Don't
red.
put more sauces on. Oh, it is
I'm gonna
spicy.
get some napkins.
와, 매워.
Not spicy.
아, 매워. 못 먹겠어, 이제. 빨리 데리야끼 발라.
Guys, so we finished the skewer.
So hot. I'm sweating.
Let's go get some drinks.
Do you want to get the lobster? I bet it's 4,000 won also.
No, I think it's gonna be expensive. 이거 하나에 얼마예요?
15,000원.
15,000원.
Who would ever imagine eating a lobster tail on the streets, you know? That's the thing only exists in Korea.
감사합니다.
뜨거워요. 같이 드세요.
맛있겠다.
Is it good? 맛있어?
감사합니다.
What's for our finale?
I want to try the ice cream one with the honey vanilla ice cream bread. Yes. 5,000원이요?
5,000 won.
감사합니다. Wow. Do you see this?
So the bread, vanilla ice cream, honey pop.
Take a bite. I don't know how I'm supposed to eat this.
We had a little street food tour in Myeong-dong.
So if you guys want to know about any places in Seoul, then please leave a comment below.
And be sure to subscribe our channel and like our videos, and we will be back with another interesting place in Seoul. The time is TicToking in Seoul.